Welcome to a tutorial on American Truck Simulator and how to switch betas in Steam. And before we get into it, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I produce more content, and let's get into it. So you're basically going to open up your Steam page, make sure it's on the library tab, be the home. So your games will be listed here. So all you're going to do is hit American Truck Simulator. You're going to right click American Truck Simulator. You're going to head down to Properties, click Properties. You're going to head down to Betas. Right now I have no betas, so it's on the most recent non-beta version right now. So we're going to go down. So the current beta that we're going to be looking at is 1.45 public beta, so we'll look for that in the list here. 0.44, 0.43, public beta 1.45. So we're going to click on that, and then it's going to update in the queue, so it's going to start. So you can just exit out of this little thing and watch it go do its thing. And if you really are bored when you're doing this, you can always go down to the bottom here, hit the downloading, and it will pop it up and it will show you what's going on. Now that it's done updating, it will, if you go to this screen, it will go then to the completed screen, and then all you have to do is hit the play button and enjoy American Truck Simulator. So let's go in. So we'll click on it. Yes, play. Synchronizing Steam Cloud. Now that it's updated, you'll get a confirmation on the first thing to press. It should tell you the current version of should tell you the current version that you're currently playing with, but right now it's not showing it. But anyways, you hit OK and enjoy the game. Thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit that notification button when I go live.